What's poppin', and welcome back to another video. Today is Friday evening. I'm on my way back from the gym. We've got a busy night ahead of us, just like various Friday tasks, so let's get to it. I have three main things to do today. I have one, I got a website for a client that I gotta fix. Just some buttons, should be a minor thing. I got some bugs that I gotta fix for Wonder Saga signing, and I got some stuff on Project X. This Project X, it's a weird name. I don't really know. I don't think I should be calling it Project X because it isn't a Project X. It's like I can describe it in another video. Today I'm not gonna really describe it too much, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. Maybe you can guess what kind of app I am developing. So if you feel like you have a good guess, drop a comment down below what you think it is. Otherwise we're gonna take that in the future video. But now let's get to work. Boom, okay, that's the first mission of today done. What I'm doing now is I'm essentially building a website for a client that I used to work with a long time ago. I'm not really building websites anymore because I don't really have as much time anymore to focus on this, so it's not really something that I'm putting time and effort in on a regular basis. However, this is a website that I built for a client like 3 years ago, and now they came back this year and they wanted some redesigns, etc. It's quite a quick job. Turned out it didn't be as quick as I thought it would be, but still quite a quick job. And as you know, we're broke in the startup, so all the extra money I can get, I'm saying yes to right now. But yeah, we've done that now. So essentially, as you can see, it's a nice standard website. I'm not going to show too much of it since this is their stuff, so I don't really want to promote it. But as you can see, quite a nice website. It's a storage facility. Quite a good business idea, by the way. Like, this client is, they're retired. They used to have a construction company, and now they're kind of semi-retired, I guess. But they have these two facilities where they can just rent out storage, and they're just making so much passive income month on month. And now they're building a whole other storage facility with like 250 new units, which are renting out for like 500 to 2,000 crowns a month. And imagine that times like 300. Yeah, they're making bang. So I'm helping them out a little bit with the website. So that is all good now. Task one for the evening done. Let's get some food and let's get to coding on our project.
2 hours later.
Okay, we've definitely made some progress on the app. I've been coding for like 2 hours on the app. Now I'm just talking about apps. I mean, we've definitely made some progress on this secret project X that we're working on. Let me show you a little bit what we've done. So here we have the simulator, good old classic view. So we have this kind of home page where you can just, see your stuff, see a little bit of a preview, a little bit of a list builder. Then you can go to, I'm going to rearrange this later. You can go to particular jobs here. You can see the details for it. You can create a new one, for example, with a random picture. So we just create a new one. We can delete said job just like that. We can see our own profile data. We can log in, we can log out. So pretty cool stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Cue satisfying coding montage. Okay, it's quite late. It's like 12:10. I've been working on this app this whole evening. I wasn't gonna spend this much time on it today, but it just ended up being like that. When you get this flow, you kind of just gotta keep going. Like, this is something I find that I get with like a couple of things, like mainly coding, but also like in my job if I'm building some complex Google Sheets or something like that, which I do quite a lot of. I just find myself in this like flow where I don't really manage to keep track of time. Like, I've had this so many times when I'm coding stuff. Like, I'll start on a Saturday at 1 o'clock and then I'll realize, shit, it's like 7:30. I didn't even eat. I haven't done anything. I'm just sitting here 5 hours has passed and I haven't really done anything other than just sit here and do code. So I guess, I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I guess it's a good thing. Most people say like once you get in that flow kind of state, it's good for you. Like you're enjoying yourself, you're having fun, you're being productive, you're doing a lot of stuff. So I guess it's not anything to complain about, more so with something to be happy about. And also like, I think this is quite a good hobby to have, because you don't really want your hobbies to be your job, because if it's your job, it's not really your hobby anymore, and I'm pretty sure you get tired of it relatively easily. But also because it just, you know, once you have something fun going for you outside of work, why bring that into your work essentially? Yeah, I've kind of noticed now that I'm getting quite good at coding. Like I can do most of this stuff without having to YouTube or search most of the stuff. I can just find the references or the documentation on the official website of whatever I'm doing and then work from there, and it seems to work pretty well. So now, for example, over the last 2 hours, first of all, I had a big issue. I was out of space and I thought like, okay, my simulator's out of space, I can't install the app, but it turned out that my MacBook Mini was out of space. I had like 11 megabytes left of space. I couldn't really do anything. It just kept on crashing when I was running the iPhone simulator for the code. So maybe that's an excuse to get a new laptop. I don't know. I really want to get a new camera and you really want to get a new laptop and like, yeah, you know, spend that cash even though we're broke. Yeah, I gotta make more cash before I can actually buy something new like that. That's for sure. Let me show you exactly what it is that I've done and yeah, kind of how it's working. Okay, I'm not sure if it's horrible quality on this simulator, but here we have an example. We have a list here, so we have our jobs, but then also say that we wanted to create a new job, so we do that. We create a new untitled job with some random stock image. We have that untitled job. We can come back to it, and now we can press the image like that, and then we'll be taken to this kind of gallery where we can pick another image like this one, for example. And then it will update the app with the new image that we picked and that we uploaded from our device essentially. So you can kind of take an image. I have this feature too, but I don't have a camera on my simulator, so we don't really have this feature implemented now. But you'll be able to either pick an image from your gallery or you'll be able to upload an image. So this is pretty cool stuff. And then this is now then all working in your flows and all that. So yeah, quite happy about that. But that is it for today's video. It was just like a chill kind of coding, not vlog, but like coding video. But today's Friday night, tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday, and then we have a lot of stuff to do this weekend. Like I'm looking after a dog. I'm also gonna do a lot of coding. I have Sunday league, so I think we're gonna do a video of that whole stuff. So if you like this content, you want to continue watching this series, then please leave a like down below and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when we upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.